So overall, we launched this program in 2012. We've graduated over 300 people. The program is offered through the College of Civil and Environmental Engineering. So you end up graduating with a Master of Science, not a Master of Art. And we were one of the very first online degree programs at the University of Washington, which made the transition into the pandemic super easy because we already had all of our content purposed for online. So overall, we're set up so that you attend a live class online 1 day per week. If you're going to go through the program the way that most people do, take the 2 year program, we call that part-time. You're going to be required to earn 43 credits over those 2 years, or if you decide there is an option to jam it all into 1 year. We literally are designed to be a super high touch, supportive, very accessible program. Great professors, lots of experience. So we really try to build relationships and develop deep interactions with our students. And mainly, we're here to help prepare you to move up through the corporate ladder. Most of our students are mid-career professionals. So as we get into this, we've got a list here of core competencies. Jackie, as you sort of scan this this list, tell us about some of the competencies maybe that you were able to hone or practice in the program.
Yeah. So at the time when I was in the program, I was in operations. And so that first bullet, right, was like super imperative for me, and really important that I immersed myself in that particular process or subject rather, because I was responsible for a team of, 14 onshore, more offshore to make sure that we're delivering our goods end to end for our stakeholders. So there's a lot of things that I learned from an optimization standpoint for the program that was invaluable to the current role that I'm in. And then I don't know that it's listed here, but like supply chain systems too, or supply chain management is like also very important because within supply chain, there are a lot of systems that talk to each other. And having that exposure really helped set me up for success for the career transition that I had in the last like 2-ish years. And so though it may not be important or like not relevant maybe in the roles that you're in today, I guarantee you it'll be important in the future as you pivot in your careers. But
Systems, just because there's so much data. And right now, the one thing that we keep hearing from our students when we say, with all these tariffs and all the move to nearshore and onshore, what's one of the impact? And everybody comes back and says, we're getting a lot of ad hoc requests for data analytics, like they're considering different alternatives. That's something you're seeing in your job, Jackie?
I am. There's always questions, right? Especially when I was at Flexport, they did a lot of international shipping. So like when things change around your in your environment or externally, you always get people ask, well, how's that going to impact me? And so like having data readily available or like being kind of at the forefront and a thought leader of that within your organization is going to be important. So this program certainly helps you lean into that.